Sun salutations are built to wake you up. They generate heat and drive your energy forward to conquer the day. But when the sun goes down, you need a practice that does the exact opposite. A way to cool off, lower your heart rate, and release all the physical tension you've been carrying since morning. That is where Chandra Namaskar, or the Moon Salutation, comes in. It is a soothing, side-to-side sequence specifically designed to quiet your mind and prepare your body for a deeply restful night's sleep. To set up, position your yoga mat horizontally. Step to the dead center, facing the long edge. Stand tall and take one deep, grounding breath. Turning your body to face the long edge of the mat is an important physical cue. Shifting from a linear, forward-facing orientation to a wide, lateral stance signals to your brain that the active part of your day is over, and the winding down process has officially begun. This diagram shows the Moon Salutation's circular pathway, from the center, rightward into a squat, and mirroring up the left. We start with an upward salute, bending right for half moon. Next, step wide and sink into a squat for goddess pose. Take a moment to check your alignment here. Ensure that your knees are tracking safely and directly over your ankles, rather than caving inward. Take a deep inhale, press through your feet, and straighten both your legs and your arms. Extend your arms straight out to shoulder level to form the five-pointed star. Moving into these wide, expansive lateral positions physically opens up your hips and chest. It directly counters the forward hunching posture we typically hold while sitting at a desk all day long, releasing that accumulated tension. Now let's begin the descent. Turn your right foot out. Reach your torso over your right leg. Drop your right hand down and extend your left arm straight up to the sky, opening your chest for triangle pose, or Utthita Trikonasana. As you exhale, pivot your torso and lower your left arm to frame your right foot, folding into pyramid pose. If you cannot comfortably reach the floor while keeping your back straight, simply rest your hands on your right shin. Bend your right knee and drop your left knee toward the floor for a low lunge. Keep your hands planted and lift your gaze to look forward. Next comes a tricky transition. Keep your weight on your right foot and pivot your body to face the long edge of the mat again. Sink into a side lunge on your right leg, keeping your left leg extended straight out with the toes pointing up toward the ceiling. Inhale, press up slightly, and shift your weight to the dead center of the mat. Drop down into a deep, wide squat known as Malasana. Keep your spine straight and bring your hands together in prayer at your chest. Reaching this deep, grounded center squat represents the lunar peak of the sequence. Your hips are close to the earth, physically pulling the body's energy downward and actively calming your central nervous system. To complete the circle, we mirror the movements back up the left side of the body. Shift your weight entirely over to your left leg, extending your right leg out straight for a side lunge on the left. Pivot to face the short left edge of your mat. Plant your hands to frame your left foot, dropping your right knee toward the floor. This moves you into a left side low lunge. Exhale, press your hips up and straighten both legs. Fold your torso over your left knee to move into the left side pyramid pose. Inhale deeply as you sweep your right arm up to the sky. Rotate your chest open to the long edge of the mat, finding your left side triangle pose. Press firmly through both feet and lift your torso all the way up, extending your arms out to return to the wide, expansive five-pointed star. Then exhale, bend your knees, and drop your elbows to 90 degrees for one final goddess pose. Take a final inhale and step your left foot back to the exact center of the mat where you started. Reach your arms overhead and complete the sequence with a bend to the left and then to the right. Intentionally reversing these movements back up the left side creates complete physical symmetry. It stretches your muscles evenly and balances the left and right hemispheres of your body, creating a neutral physical state before you go to sleep. Release your arms and stand completely still in mountain pose, resting your hands at your heart. Take a moment to notice your lowered heart rate, your open hips, and how quiet your mind has become. You have just completed one full cycle. You can repeat this entire pathway 2 to 3 more times to progressively deepen the cooling and relaxing effect on your entire body. When you are ready, simply transition from this standing position straight down onto your mat. Sink your hips back over your heels into child's pose, or balasana, to officially close out your evening practice. Typical morning routines ask you to push forward and conquer the day, but mastering this lunar sequence grants you the tools to intentionally surrender, let go of accumulated stress, and set yourself up for truly restful sleep. Hope you like our video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe us. To join our refreshing yoga and meditation sessions, WhatsApp or call us at given number. Thanks for watching.